Hey guys, so today I have the 2026 remake of the Haunted Roll Profile Fly Ceiling Fan. Okay, I'm talking too fast in my bedroom at my grandma's. And since this house has since got rented, I can't speak. Cause I got a new house on the Cape. The renters have been using this fan really badly, and it's very dusty now. Yeah. What do you folks all think about that? They're abusing my fan. How dare they do that? You know, this fan was my favorite fan in the day of age in 2023. So I was so happy to see it in my bedroom here. And now seeing it like this years later, dusty, really makes me sad. I'm going to show you on high. The dust flows off. And some of it's just for reasons. Oh, actually, I'll put a clip from my house tour. Now, there's one dust. It's putting a lot of dust. Why would they do that, guys? Why would they do that, guys? I mean, they use it on the whole night. They're not allowed to do that, guys. I never used this screenshot on the whole night. They're not allowed to use this on the whole night. And if they keep making it more dusty, I'm actually going to have to restrict the ability to turn it on. I'm going to have to write with my machine shot. Don't flip switch. Do not turn on fan. And I pretend that it makes really loud noise and wobbles really bad. Anyways, let's go back. Let's go on to medium. Still has the diamond pull chain though. I'm probably gonna take that because it's very rare. Shot. And actually, if you didn't know, that diamond pull chain actually used to be on the craft made right over there. I'll show you a video of it. I'll show you a video. Anyways, that's it, and thank you for watching. Guys, this is just dusty. I might have accidentally deleted 2 videos, so here's a quick demo of it on high. Wait, what the flip? High. Okay, you saw high. Here's medium. And low. Anyways, goodbye. Thanks for watching. Oh my god. Oh! What the? Oh my god. High, not for a while because there's dust. Medium. Low. Oh my god. I'm gonna turn this thing off. What the flip? This is so dusty. Oh my god. The renters. I've been using this thing a lot. I'm gonna put a don't turn on message. And it's just that it's so dusty. Oh my god. Yeah, you guys saw how dusty it is. Because this fan has been obviously used by the stupid renters. Why would they abuse my fan with dust? I don't get it.